Assalamualaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Hayırlısınız?
What please?
English.
English and a little bit Hindi.
How are you?
Where are you from?
Aziza.
You mean Libya? Libya. You're from Libya.
Da, конечно.
Okay. So you
Libya.
Libya. Okay. You speak Arabic.
Do from Libya.
I am from Bangladesh. Do you know? Do you know about Bangladesh? Oh, okay, okay. So you live in so you live in Al Azizia, Libya, right? Oh, okay, okay. So what's your name?
İngilizce ne знает.
Okay.
Кам, чук. Шахина, да.
Oh, okay, okay. Shahina. Nice to meet you,
Помнишь,
Shahina.
да,
So do you speak English?
да, чуть.
What is your language? Language.
İngilizce не знает, или русче, узбекче, таджикче. Понял?
Oh, okay. You mean you Russian?
Да, русский, узбекский, таджикский.
Okay, okay, okay.
Главное, инглиз не знаю.
Okay, okay. Okay, bye.
Bye.